Hi, this is Lillian. I'm from Springbok Impala. Welcome everyone to the ISE 2020 show. Today I would like to introduce you one of the feature products of our company. This is our 55 millimeter voice coil mid-range driver. The special about this is that it comes with a composite diaphragm with a polyimide ring and a titanium dome. So which brings to the sound quality is that it extends the higher frequency part by using the titanium dome, but it still provides a very clear vocal performance using the polyimide ring. So if anyone's interested in the PA or a siren speaker industry, please come here, visit us at ISE 2020. And if you need further information, you can also visit our website at jcspeaker.com. Thank you.